In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make an engraved money effect. Create a new document about 10 pixels wide and 10 pixels high. Next, add a gradient effect. Click the gradient. Make the top part black and the bottom white. Adjust the scale to 100%. Then click OK. Next, go to Edit, and choose Define Pattern. Name your pattern anything you like. Then click OK. Create a new document for your engraved effect. About 5,000 pixels for both width and height. Next, go to Fill. Under Contents, choose Pattern. Browse your content pattern and then click OK. Next, go to Filter, Distort, and choose Wave. Set the number of generators to 1. Wavelength, 140 minimum and 141 maximum. Amplitude, and scale, 50 minimum and 51 maximum. Then click OK. Duplicate your main image. Rotate the duplicated image by going to Edit, Transform, and choosing Rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Change the blending mode of your new layer to Soft Light. Next, select both layers. Then right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now open your image. Make your image black and white. To do that, go to Image, Adjustments, and then Desaturate. Let's apply an oil paint effect to your image. Go to Filter, Stylize, and choose Oil Paint. Adjust the brush settings until you get the desired result. Once done, click OK. Now go back to your engraved effect. Copy your background using your keyboard command. Ctrl-A to select all, then Ctrl-C to copy. Then go back to your image and then paste your engraved pattern by using Ctrl-V. Change the blending mode to Divide. You may play around with what blending mode that you will apply. Sometimes it depends on the image, whether it is too dark or light. Next, select your image layer and add a new Level Adjustment layer. Adjust the slider until you get the desired result. Then adjust the opacity of your engraved layer. That's it. A simple way to create an engraved effect in Photoshop. If you have any other suggestions, please share them in the comments section below. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.